Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Canva presentation to PowerPoint. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva, and I've got this example presentation here I'd like to export to PowerPoint. So now, to convert this presentation to PowerPoint, simply click on the share button up the top right hand corner. And then once you're here, you want to scroll down and click onto more under print with Canva. And then you've got a whole bunch of options here: share, social, save. So I'm going to click on Microsoft PowerPoint. And now it says here, download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So it's got all my 25 pages in this Canva presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download. So I'm going to give that a few moments to download. And now from here, it wants to save this to your PC. So I'm just going to save it to my download section of my PC. Now that's saved. And now what I'm going to do is open up my downloads. All right, here's my downloads, and here's the saved presentation from Canva. So I'm going to double click this, and this should open up Microsoft PowerPoint. So give this a few moments to load up, fire up, and there you go. My Canva presentation is now on Microsoft PowerPoint. It's as simple as that, guys. All 25 pages. Alright, guys, that's the end of this video. If you liked this tutorial, please consider to like and subscribe if you found this was helpful.